Today, we are breaking down exactly how we spec our Sprinter vans from Mercedes-Benz. These are the best configurations to improve your everyday driving experience and to create the best chassis for building a premium camper van. Let's get into it. To start, we always order the newest available model year Sprinter in either a 144-inch or 170-inch wheelbase. That gives you the latest safety systems, drivetrain updates, and software improvements direct from the manufacturer. The size of the wheelbase is up to the customer. The 144 is ideal for maneuverability and city driving, while the 170 is your best choice for maximizing your interior space. Safety is a non-negotiable for us. That's why we order every van with the Drive Assist package and Distronic Adaptive Cruise Control. This system uses radar to maintain speed and following distance automatically, reducing fatigue on long highway drives and improving safety in variable traffic. We also added the digital rear view mirror. This mirror uses a roof-mounted camera feed to give you a crystal clear view behind the vehicle at all times. Day, night, or during bad weather, it is a major safety upgrade for any camper configuration. On top of that, the parking package with a full 360-degree camera is essential for safe maneuvering in tight areas. Parking has never been easier with a bird's eye view of your van. The swivel seat package turns your front driver and passenger seats into a functional part of the living area. Mercedes installs it straight from the factory with proper safety and airbag integration. Being able to swivel your seats dramatically increases usability inside your camper van once it's converted. The MBUX infotainment package gives you a modern command center with touchscreen controls, voice assistance, navigation, and CarPlay. These creature comforts do wonders for your driving experience. We also include SiriusXM because many of the routes that our customers travel take them far outside cell service. Satellite radio ensures reliable entertainment and weather information wherever you go. Every Sprinter van we order includes ESP, the electronic stability program that enhances traction, braking control, and rollover mitigation. The heated steering wheel is extremely valuable for cold weather van life because keeping your hands warm enhances driver comfort and control. Even if you never plan to tow, the trailer hitch is still a valuable feature. It expands your options for racks, carriers, and future towing needs, and it's significantly more reliable and cost-effective to have it installed at the factory rather than added on aftermarket. One of the most important things we upgrade is the roof. We always spec the high roof model because standing height in the cabin is essential for customers and our layouts. Finally, we build vans intended to last. The extended Mercedes-Benz warranty protects your investment by covering major components up to 5 years or 100,000 miles. We also include prepaid 40,000-mile maintenance, covering both A and B services so the van remains in peak condition throughout its early life. When you combine these options with OHV's lifetime craftsmanship warranty, you get the most reliable camper van on the market. All these factory options are not chosen at random. They're selected after years of building, testing, and refining camper vans in real environments. The result is a Mercedes-Benz chassis that aligns perfectly with off-highway van's mission. Lightweight, durable, high-performance builds designed for everyday drivability and backcountry reliability.